Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 365 2021 Module 4, SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C assignment. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Save and rename file. Open the provided file. Save the file as xlsx 365 2021 CT4C first last name .lsx. Step 2. Verify name. Ensure your name is in cell B6 of the documentation worksheet. Step 3. Update defined names. Delete the loan calculator name. Rename the cell with the loan amount to loan amount. Calculate the loan amount by subtracting the down payment from the price.
Step 4. Create defined names. Define names for cells in column D based on values in column C in the loan payment calculator section. Step 5. Calculate monthly payment. Use the PMT function to calculate the monthly payment. Step 6. Determine total interest and cost. Calculate total interest and total cost using formulas. Step 7. Create data table. Reference the monthly payment in a blank cell. Create a two-variable data table using terms and rates. Apply conditional formatting to highlight the matching rate. Step 8. Format borders. Match the color of the borders to the other outside borders. Step 9. Scenarios. Calculations. Calculate payments for renovation, 20-year and 8-year scenarios using appropriate formulas. Step 10. Prepare for printing. Set print titles and print area. Hide the properties worksheet.
Step 11. Resolve errors on equipment loan worksheet. Fix the year format and correct the total paid formula. Add a thick outside border with orange, accent 3 color. Step 12. Save and submit. Save changes, close the workbook, and submit as directed.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.